Video, we will discuss about first question of our third assignment. Explain the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. Provide examples and scenarios where each is appropriately used. So machine learning algorithms learns pattern from data. There are mainly two categories: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So what is supervised learning? So supervised learning means the dataset contains input plus output. Model learns the mapping between input and output. So the goal of supervised learning is predict the correct output for the new unseen data. And unsupervised learning types are supervised learning has two major types: predict categories and regression. And detailed example of supervised learning: email spam detection, disease detection, credit scoring, sales forecasting, image recognition. What is unsupervised learning? Unsupervised learning means dataset contains only output, only input, no output. Goal is to find hidden structure or relationship, model groups or compresses data based on similarity, key ideas, discovering patterns automatically. So unsupervised learning types and two main types: clustering, group similar items, example grouping customers by behavior, and dimensionally reduction. Reduce features, example compressing 100 features into 2 with PCA. So detailed example of unsupervised learning are market segmentation, find customer types, anomaly detections, detect unusual patterns, and document clustering, group similar articles, data compression, PCA for visualization, recommended system, item similarity. When to use which? Use supervised learning when you have labeled data, you want to predict an output. Use unsupervised learning when you do not have labels. You want to discover structure in data, you want to reduce dimensions. Final comparison summary between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So supervised learning has labels, predicts outputs, needs large label datasets. Unsupervised learning, no labels, finds patterns, useful for explorations. Both are essential for building